In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Namaskar, welcome to Next IS. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will cover major headlines of the Hindu, Indian Express, and Press Information Bureau. So before we begin, let's understand the importance of this session in words of UPSC topper. I hope it would be helpful for you.
न्यूज़पेपर में अगर आपको अपना टाइम कम करना है तो मैं ये सजेस्ट करूंगा, मैं ये करता था कि हमारा नेक्स्ट आईएएस पे इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ ऑफ द डे का एक वो आता है, लिंक आती है, तो उसमें जो जो इंपॉर्टेंट हेडलाइंस होती हैं वो पढ़नी होती है। तो मैं क्या करता था कि इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग थ्रू एंटायर न्यूज़पेपर, मैं अब सुबह 11:30 के आसपास हमारा आता था और मेरी क्लास भी उसी टाइम के आसपास खत्म होती थी। तो मैं घर जाते ही सबसे पहले वो खोल के उसमें जो जो इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ होती थी वो टिक कर लेता था, उनको उनको पढ़ता था। दैट वुड हार्डली टेक 35-40 मिनट्स। और उसके बाद पूरे न्यूज़पेपर का एक बार खुद से ग्लांस मार लेता था कि अगर कोई ऐसा टॉपिक है जिसमें मुझे पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट है या कोई ऐसा टॉपिक है जो मुझे लग रहा है कि ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है या मिस हो गया, उसको पढ़ लेता था।
So now let's start today's discussion. Recently, first evidence of rock art found in Mangaluru city of Karnataka, and it is in the form of pair of human footprints, which was found near Balurpanne Koteda Babu Swami Shrine. And these footprints might have been created in the 1st or 2nd century AD. Recently, World Economic Situation and Prospects as of mid-2024 released by United Nations, and according to it, the world economy is now projected to grow by 2.7% in 2024 and 2.8% in 2025. Talking about India's scenario, Indian economy is projected to expand by 6.9% in 2024 and 6.6% in 2025, mainly driven by strong public investment and resilient private consumption. And global trade is also expected to recover in 2024. Iberian lynx population doubled in 3 years in Spain and Portugal. It is the world's most endangered cat. It mostly depends on wild rabbits to feed. Talking about its habitat, in the early 19th century, Iberian lynx was found in Spain, Portugal, and southern France, but now it can be found in Spain and Portugal. An IUCN Red List of threatened species classifies it as endangered species. Next article talks about orcas, which is also known as killer whale. It is the largest member of dolphin family and it is found in every ocean in the world. They are one of the most recognizable marine mammals with distinctive black and white bodies. They are highly social and most live in social groups called pods. They are most abundant in colder waters like Antarctica, Norway, and Alaska, but they can also be found in tropical and subtropical waters. Now, recently, Supreme Court directed the release of jailed journalist and online portal NewsClick founder on grounds that due process safeguards were not followed in his arrest and detention. The court observed that he was not given an opportunity to defend himself through legal counsel of his choice and not informed of grounds of arrest as required by Article 22, Subclause 1 of the Constitution. And do you know, friends, right to be informed about the grounds of interest flows from Article 22, Subclause 1 of the Constitution, and any infringement of this fundamental right would vitiate the process of arrest and remand. And Article 22, Subclause 2 says every arrested person shall be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours, and the magistrate and judge can authorize further detention in police custody or judicial custody through remand hearings. Now, recently, two opposition leaders were asked to make certain changes to their speeches made on Doordarshan and All India Radio during the allocated broadcast time in the run-up to the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. Now, let's know the rules in this context. So, friends, recognized political parties have been allowed to freely use state-owned television and radio during polls since 1998 Lok Sabha elections. An Election Commission of India decides how much time each recognized national and state party will be allotted prior to the start of the election campaign. National parties get minimum 10 hours of telecasting time on Doordarshan national channel and at least 15 hours on its regional channels. They also get 10 hours of broadcasting time on national hookup of All India Radio and 15 hours of broadcasting on regional All India Radio stations. Talking about state parties, they get minimum 30 hours of telecasting time on appropriate regional Doordarshan channels and All India Radio station. Now, recently, 12th India-Mongolia Joint Working Group meeting was held in Ulaanbaatar to improve bilateral defense ties. Both the countries reviewed progress on various bilateral defense cooperation initiatives and identified means to further enhance cooperations in these areas and articulating steps in this direction. And do you know, friends, India enjoys age-old historical, cultural, and civilizational ties with Mongolia. Both countries regard each other as spiritual neighbor, and they established diplomatic relations in 1955. So with this, let's conclude our today's discussion. Thanks for listening, and for regular updates, you can follow us on various social media platforms.